ladies, welcome to our dance session. Hope you're all keeping safe and looking after yourselves. Anyway, we're going to start off with our warm-up. I know it's going to be a little bit different because we're in our living room. Anyway, here goes. I'll put some music on. Okay, hands together. And then rub the back of the hands. Bring up one arm. Make sure you go underneath. All the way up to the shoulder. And squeeze it down, all the way down. Other side. And bring underneath. All the way up to the shoulder. And then squeeze it down. All the way down. Back to hands. Ready for our Botox, put your cheeks on top. And tilt the chin back, tap the chin. And ready, scrunch your face in, and after 3 we're going to roll. 1, 2, 3, bah! And we'll do it again. Scrunch your face, 1, 2, 3, bah! One more. 1, 2, 3, bah! Back, rub your tummy. Then down the legs. Round the knees. And all the way down. As far as you can go. And up the backs of the legs. All the way up. To the bottom. To the bottom will wiggle. And from there, roll the shoulders. And then roll your wrists. And other way. Then take your feet slightly wider, circle the hips. And then other way. And then bring your feet together, circle the knees. And then the other way. And then give your body a little shake out. Hopefully you feel a bit looser. And then come all the way up. Counting now, and you always help me out with the counting, so I'm going to have to really concentrate now. And because no one can give me numbers, so I've picked some numbers. So we're going to do 8, 5, 4, 7. Yeah? So 8, 5, 4, 7. And then instead of going round in a circle like we normally do, we're going to do it going side to side. So I'm going to start this side. So we're going to go to the right like we always do first. So just to recap, so we're going to do 8 to the right. So we're going to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Then we're off to the left. 4, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Then 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Then 4, 4, 3, 2, 1. 4, 3, 2, 1. Then 7, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Excellent. Right, so we're going to try it now with the music because we practice it. I think the practice was more for me, so it stays in my head and I concentrate. So remember, I'm going to count you in, but then you have to count in your head by yourself. Okay? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I'm counting up the countdown. Did we get it? Did we do it? Now we're going to walk it forward. Number 1, you're going to roll it. Take it back. We're going to walk it back forward. Number 2, we're going to dig the heels. Dig. Take it back. Now we're going to come in. Number 3, we're going to slice it. Now we're going to take it back. Now we're going to walk in. And number 4, let's do side tap. Woo! Right, can we remember those 4 numbers? I hope you can. Here we go, take it back. Get a bit more groove into it. Woo! Feel that music. Here we go, we're going to walk it in. 1, 2, 3, 4, round it. Feel it. Now slice it. Number 4, step touch. Now we're going to walk it back, get that groove. Feel that music. Woo! Feel that music in your living room. Now we're going to go in. In we come. We're going to do 2, 4, 3, 1. Here we go. Heel dig. Side, side. Slicing. Roll it. Take it back. Now we're going to come in. We're going to go 4, 3, 2, 1. Side it. Slice it. Heel dig. And we finish with a roll. Take it back. Hopefully you're a little bit warmer. Okay, right. So, we're going to learn a new dance. We're going to do a folk dance, but to some funky music, because you know how we like to do it. It's a little bit different. So we're going to start off with 8 side steps. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then we're going to clap it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so let's just try that to the music. Here we go. We've got a bit of funky folk going on, a bit of swagger. Here we go, side step. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now clap it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Woo. Okay, so from there then we're going to do, so after we've done our 8 claps, we're going to do 8 heels. Yeah, so we'll try that from the start with the music. Here we go. Get your funky folk on. Side step. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now clap it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yay! So I think we've got that. So the next bit then, we're going to walk forward. 1, 2, 3, and clap. Then back. 2, 3, clap. Forward. 2, 3, clap and back. 2, 3, clap and forward. 2, 3, clap and back. 2, 3, clap and forward. 2, 3, clap and back. 2, 3, clap. So just to recap that from the start. So we've got 8 side steps. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then clap it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then heel. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then walk it. 1, 2, 3, and clap and back. 2, 3, and clap and forward. 2, 3, clap and back. 2, 3, clap and forward. 2, 3, clap and back. 2, 3, clap and forward. 2, 3, clap and back. 2, 3, clap, fab. Right, so we're going to try that with the music. I'll try it a couple of times to see if we've got it. Side step. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Get your clap on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Heel. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Walking forward. 2, 3, and 4. We got our groove on. And again. One more. Now we go back to the start. Side step. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now clap it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Heel. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Walking forward. 1, 2, 3, and clap. Go back and back. And again, go to knees. Oh, got that groove going, ladies? Back to beginning. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now clap it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Give me heel. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Walking forward. 1, 2, 3. And again. I think we got it. We got it. Ready? Wiggle up, boom. If we got it. Wiggle up, boom. Fab. Now, I think we can add on to it now, I think, if we've got it. So, after we've gone forward and back, forward and back, I feel like we're going to go pivot round. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and back. 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8. Yeah? So, from the beginning, we've got 8 side steps, 8 claps, 8 heels, and then we walk in 4 times, and then we're going to pivot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, back 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and same as this is the funky folk. I think we're going to brush the shoulder and go 1, 2, 3, 4, then back. 1, 2, 3, 4, and again 1, 2, 3, 4, and back. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we got that. So the new bit is the turn, and then the other way, and then we've got that 4 steps with brushing the shoulder. 4 steps, brushing the shoulder. Right, let's try it from the start. We've got a funky folk one. Side step. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now clap it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now heel. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Walk it forward. 1, 2, 3. Clap. 1, 2, 3. 2, and again. One more. Now we go pivot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 2. Give me shoulder. 1, 2, 3, 4, and back. 1, 2, 3, 4. We go again. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Back to the beginning. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now clap. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Give me heel. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Walk it forward. 1, 2, 3. Take it back. And again. Pivot round and we go. Other way. Get our groove going. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And again. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Let's go back to the start. Little boogie, freestyle in your living room. Nobody's watching, just do it. Get that groove on. Get that groove on. Woo! Oh, fab. Right, okay. So our next one we're going to do is some country dancing, I thought. Well, a bit of line dancing, and it's they call the Shines, and it's called Lightning Strike, and I quite liked it. I heard it on TV, and I thought, oh, this is quite a good song. I knew exactly where I could use it. Right, so we're going to start off. Okay, so you've got. I'm going to start off with 8 claps for the intro, and it starts straight away to the music. So you get going as soon as I buy 8 of these. 3. I'm going to go this way. 5, 6, 7, 8. Then we're going to grapevine to the right. So step, behind, step, together, step, behind, step, together, step, behind, step, together, step, behind, step, together. So I'll just turn this way so you can see the grapevine. So it's step, behind, step, together, step, behind, step, together, step, behind, step, together, step, behind, step, together. Okay? So we're going right, left, yeah? Then after that, we're going to do 4 quick heels. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah? Okay? So we'll just try that from the start. So we've got the claps first. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. Got that? Right, let's try that again. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. 4 heels, start with the right. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so after the 1, 2, 3, 4, you're going to slap your right thigh. 1, slap your left thigh. So it's opposite hands. So it's your left, slapping your right, slapping your left. And then we're going to go back to the grapevine. 2 more. and 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we slap, slap, yeah? So repeat that twice, but we have the intro of the clap first. Okay, here we go. Standing outside, raining in the summer, will you remind me why we ain't lovers? Maybe you and I would figure out, didn't even know what love was. 1, 2, can't remember how we left this. Was it you or did it end it? Stupid kids running reckless. 4 quick heels. 1, 2, 3, 4. Slap the 5, slap the 5. Great line. But I'll never forget it. Still got the necklace. Funny running to you here. 4 quick heels. 1, 2, 3, 4. Slap the 5. I forgot to say, when we do the 4 heels, 1, 2, 3 for the 4th one. So we're going 1, 2, 3, 4. Bring it in 4, and then we'll do slap thigh. So only 3 heels instead of 4, because I forgot the music changes. Right, so let's just try that again from the start. Standing outside, raining in the summer, will you remind me why we ain't lovers? Maybe you and I would figure out, didn't even know what love was. Here we go. Can't remember how we left this. Was it you or did it end it? Stupid kids running reckless. Here, 1, 2, 3 together. Slap thigh, slap right thigh. 1, 2. But I'll never forget it. Still got the necklace. 2 more. Here, 1, 2, 3, down, thigh, woo! You're going to be singing this all day after doing this. Right, okay. So the chorus bit, we're going to go right toe, 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 then left, toe, toe. Let's just do that again. So we go toe, 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 yeah? Then from there, you're going to dig your right heel forward. 1, 2, back, 2, and then you're going to go front, back, front, together. So I'll just do that again. So you're going double, double, single, 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 together. So let's just try the chorus bit. So we go 1, 2, 3, 4, double, double, 1, 2, 3, together. Yeah? Right, let's just try the chorus with music. Here we go, right foot. 1, 2, left. 1, 2, double forward. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, together. Right, let's just try that again. Right toe. 1, 2, left. 1, 2, then you're going to do double, double, 1, 2, 3, together. Right, so because we've got that pattern on the right, you're going to do the same then on the left. Double, heel, double, toe, single, 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 together. So let's just try that from here. So we've got the chorus, toe, 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 heel, 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 front, back, together. Double, double, front, back, front, together. Try the chorus with the music. So feet together. Right toe. 1, 2, 1, 2, double, 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 single, single, left. 2, 1, 2, 3. Right, should we try that from the top? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. brain freeze there. Let's try again. I'm going baby brain. Let's try again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I'm concentrating. 1. Quick heel. 1, 2, 3, and down, down. 1, 2. There we go. 1, 2, 1, 2, double, 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 single, 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 double. Woo! And I went wrong again. Oh, right, let's try it once more time. I will concentrate. Here we go. I think it's time for a cup of tea and biscuits. I think that's what's wrong with me. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right, come on, concentrate there. Here we go. So we're doing 4 A's. 4 quick heels. 1, 2, 3, together. 1, grapevine. 1, 2, 1, 2, and again. 1, 2, 3 quick heels. 1, 2, 3, side, side. Ready for that chorus? Here we go. 1, 2, left. 1, 2, double, 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 forward, back. 2, 3, together. Got there in the end, ladies. That was concentrating. Okay, so I want to carry on with them next week, and then what we're going to do now is do a little cool down now to finish off. So I'm going to put some music on. So standing up nice and tall, lifting up, shoulders back, pull that tummy in, and then just breathe it in. And then breathe out. And then breathe it in. And breathe out. And again, breathe it in. Breathe out. Let it slowly roll shoulders back. And then roll your wrists. Nice and slowly. Other way. And then take your feet slightly wider and just slowly circle your hips. Together, hands on your knees and circle your hips. Nice and slow. And then the other way. And then take one foot back, bend that front knee, straighten that back leg, feet pointed forward, nice and lifted. Then turn your feet, reach your back arm out, open out, and lift up to the ceiling, and then take it back out. And then step it in, and then we're going to do the other leg now. So feet pointing forward, nice straight back, nice and lifted. So your front leg is bent, your back leg is straight. Then turn your feet, and then reach your back arms. And lift up. And then back out. then from there, I want you to take your arms up, and bring your hands down, and then just take it all the way down as far as you can go towards your feet. Bend your knees and roll up with your head at rest. We'll do that again. Reach up, and then take your hands down, all the way down towards your feet. Then bend your knees, and then roll up. And then give your arms out, and I want you to curve your back in like you're giving a big cuddle, and then open out. And I'm giving you all a big cuddle because I'm missing this dance group so much. And another one more big squeeze, and then hands down. Thank you, ladies. It's been a pleasure. I hope you've enjoyed dancing in the living room with me. And of course I'm going to make mistakes because that's what I do in class, and it wouldn't be any different if I hadn't. And you all know I've got baby brain now, so it's even worse. Anyway, I'm going to go and have a cup of tea now and have some biscuits. Just put some sugar in. Anyway, hope you're all keeping safe. Love to you all, and see you next time. Bye. Mwah.